Tell Uncle Jan what we're doing here. Why are we here? Where are we going today?
To the bus.
We're going to the bus. We're going to the bus, aren't we? And where is the bus taking us?
To the town.
And we're going to do some shopping, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No bus yet. Still waiting. They come usually every 1.5 hours, and we've just been here 30 minutes now, so we've not too much longer to wait. We're now beside Bewley's. Mr. Bewley's is where your dad and myself used to have coffee in the old days. I don't think there's any coffee there now.
Dad was here speaking with Jan. Let's listen to their conversation.
Cats just lie around.
Doesn't think much of the cats. We have another little dog.
Oh, what's it?
A very small black poodle.
Oh. With a funny haircut, half shaven there.
No. It's sort of woolly.
Oh.
But he needs to get his hair cut. He's pretty lazy about that. So.
Is it about that big?
Yeah, about that. Smaller than a cat. About the size of a medium-sized cat. But the other dog doesn't like it, so anytime he gets a chance, he tries to rip his throat.
And I was here trying to climb up this very high mountain. And I was here looking at the black dog with Mom.
On va lui manger. Pauvre chien, mange du bois. Non, tu n'y vas pas. Hein? Les chiens n'aiment pas qu'on les dérange quand ils sont en train de manger. Hein? Voilà. Tu vois, il s'en va. Il s'en va.
Marley Park!
Marley Park. Sorry. Here we are in Marley Park, Dad. I was here in 1990 with you and Mum. Now, look at me running around.
Yeah, open Saturdays 3 to 5 p.m.
Oh yeah.
It's only Saturday. Look, I can go this way.
Jamais d'accord, n'est-ce pas?
Is the playground here, just on the right.
C'est ici, là, juste sur la droite.
Oh, cool.
Voilà, c'est arrivé. Oh! Oh!
This is where Mom sat and sent greetings to Granny.
Bonjour d'Irlande, de Gary, de Bacha, de tout le monde. Il fait très beau, comme tu peux voir. C'est un jour bien ensoleillé. Et nous sommes à Marley Park. Judith s'amuse comme une petite folle avec Sandy et l'Italienne. Ah, hier, on est allé au pub, même 3 pubs on a visité. C'était très bien, très sympathique. Différentes sortes de pubs. Et quand on va aller dans la campagne, on va essayer d'autres genres de pubs pour voir les différences.
This is where I was on the swing.